Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
Here are 10 effective strategies to get more views on YouTube. First up, optimize your video titles and thumbnails. You want to use click-worthy titles with keywords, like, for example, 10 secrets to grow on YouTube fast in 2024. And, design eye-catching thumbnails with bold text, bright colors, and expressive faces. Next, leverage SEO or search engine optimization. Make sure to research high-volume, low-competition keywords. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ for this. And, include those keywords in your title, description, tags, and even subtitles. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Try starting with a question, a shocking fact, or a teaser to keep people watching. For example, you could say, "You're losing 90% of your viewers because of this mistake." So, you want to make sure you post consistently and at the right time. Upload at least once a week to stay relevant, And definitely post when your audience is most active. Oh, and don't forget to check YouTube analytics. Another thing is, use playlists to increase watch time. Group related videos into playlists to keep viewers watching longer. It's super helpful. And yeah, promote on social media and communities. Share your videos on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. Plus engage in relevant forums, Quora, Discord, and those niche Facebook groups. So, one really effective way to grow your channel is to collaborate with other YouTubers. Try partnering with creators in your niche so you can cross-promote each other and reach new audiences. So, here's the deal. Create trending and evergreen content. For trending stuff, you want to cover viral topics, and honestly, using Google Trends can really help you figure out what's hot right now. And then, for evergreen content, focus on making those timeless pieces like tutorials, guides, or reviews that people will always find useful. Engage with your audience, seriously. Make sure to reply to comments because that actually boosts engagement. And don't forget to ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe because, well, those calls to action really do work. Run a YouTube ad campaign. Basically, you can use YouTube ads to promote your best videos to a targeted audience, which is a great way to get more eyes on your content. Okay, bonus tips. Study YouTube analytics to see what's actually working for your channel. And, try experimenting with shorts, since YouTube's algorithm currently favors them. Would you like help with a specific strategy?